Hello everyone, it's Yukodex again, and today I just want to show you what I've been busy with for the last couple of months. I haven't uploaded anything in that time, even though I have gained a larger following, so I do kind of feel guilty. But what I've been doing is mainly shader work, not that much of game work. So as you can see, I did the volumetric lighting, I did particle effects for the leaves falling, I did interactive foliage. So as you see, when you walk through it, it is more interactive. I did tessellation on the ground, or as you can see, the ground here looks tessellated. All these rocks, well, doesn't look, they are tessellated. The rocks here are tessellated. There are some more detail rocks out here. When talking about tessellation, I also tessellated the trees. As you can see, the trees have lots and lots of detail while still having quite high performance. If I were to just put on my show FPS, it's about 50 to 60, sometimes it may drop into the 40s. But this is on everything on Epic on a RX 480, so not really that powerful of a card. And as you can see, trees are nicely tessellated, but since you can only see it when you're really close up, it fades away when you're far away. I'm just going to quickly just disable those particles. Yeah, this will be easier to see. As you can see here at the ground, there's a little radius which moves out with the amount of tessellation. This is some grass, and as you can see, even the grass is tessellated. Although the rocks are really tessellated, and the grass is just a few higher points, as you can see. And if you go back to needles and rocks, yeah, that just does look a little bit better. I have had these rocks from the encampment pack I bought a bit ago, and what you can see now is when I go back, you can actually see a dither effect I apply to stop the popping. So when I get close, there's no popping. Only when the lights are off, it does get kind of weird, but with the lights on you can barely see it, and I can just smoothly go from here to here with full performance. Have a nice tessellated tree, and done. I can just get out of there. So a lot of these assets are actually from the Epic Games pack, the open world demo collection. And the character you see here is a Greystone character, but just modified a bit and with cloth physics and that kind of thing. With the audio system in place for footsteps. That's mainly what I've been busy with. Also, I've been trying to make a good water shader, building up from a translucent shader, and now making it sort of interactive, but it really doesn't look good yet. things have to be changed. I was looking at rendered targets for interactive displaced water, which would be really cool. Also made this more scalable. Go to material quality level. If I were to just drop this down, and it will compile all the shaders. But yeah, the biggest thing for me is that it looks really good, but runs smooth as well. And there were some unnecessary things because I first added tessellation to this stump as well, but that really wasn't needed. As you can see, the polys are kinda high. And that's the fun thing with that I have a tree here. When you get really close, you do see it's tessellated. When you get farther away, it just gets lower and lower poly. Even when you're this close, you can get closer for more detail. Detail is added dynamically, because for at this point you can't even see it. And it really wouldn't matter if I had tessellation or not. Let's see. Yeah, this should be fine if I were to hit play now. Of course, you don't have the dynamic illumination, but as you can see, now the interactivity is also gone. So that's the material quality level, which goes over that. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And honestly, I've just been looking at pictures of forests and seeing how to best add them into my own game. Using the real awesome BSP tool to create collisions, so that even when I run over something like this, it's really smooth. And I am looking to transform this into a real game, but I am taking my time with this project. This is really just a passion project. Nobody's forcing me to do this. Nobody even knew about this project before. This is really just a passion project which I am trying to get off the ground. And as far as interactivity, there really isn't much yet. It's just the basic hacking and slashing. There is even a block or anything. It's just walking around with the additive leaning, which was in the controller itself, and slashing, which was in the controller itself. So yeah, I will have to change a couple of those things. But honestly, I'm just really glad with some of this tessellation and how it performs. Seeing that it is, all of this is going to be really high poly. So if you've got anything to say about it or have any questions for me, just leave it in the comments, leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one. I will see if I can finish the other project. But yeah, like I said, I've been busy with this, with work, with school, kind of thing. Really haven't had much time for this, but it's good to be back.